Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome back to your online classes. This is your Tejit sir, all dear students, and today we are going to learn chapter number 12, handling data. I hope you all remember we started that chapter, handling a data, and we have done the pictograph example, and its example means a nature walk. People are in nature work. That topic we had done in a last session. Understood, all my dear students? So today we are going to learn the second example of pictograph. Today we are going to learn of we are going to learn pictograph and its second example, my dear all students. So let's check before starting our session. First of all, let's check today's quote, and then after we will move on further, my dear all students. So now I am going to present today's quote, and then, my dear all students, we will move on further. So now I am going to presenting here today's quote. Let's check what is the today's quote. Means this quote is apply on you all, my dear students. Okay, I'll give you one suggestion. Be brave, be creative, be kind, be thankful, be happy, and be. Understood, all dear? Be brave, be creative, be kind, be thankful, be happy, and be. Got my points, all my dear students? So now we will move on further our chapter number 12, handling data. Understood? And one more thing, my dear students, I am going to forget to telling you all things. Have you ever noticed match in a nature? Okay, the symmetry of the leaf, the circular shape of the spider's web, spider shape, the height of the trees, or the number of the petals on a flower are example of mathematics we can observe in a nature. Have ever a thought about how a high a bird can fly, or how many wings it need to make in next? This is a natural walk. Understood? First, what we have to take the things, all my dear all students. What we had take that time, we take the example of nature in walk. What, my dear students? Nature in walk. That example we had done, all my dear students. Okay, so I hope you all remember, all my dear all students. Understood what I am telling you? So let's check here the example of second example of pictograph. What, my dear students? Let's check the second example of pictograph. So now I am going to first of all telling you, and now I am going to one thing telling you here. First of all, we do the revision of last lecture. So how many points to solving the pictograph? How many points to solving the pictograph? So let's check, all my dear students. There are so many points. Means so many means importance points we are taking only. Understood? Important topic we are taking only here. Understood, all my dear? So now I am going to taking here the importance topic. So first is all what, my dear all students? First is when you see a pictograph, when you see, whenever we are going to see the pictograph, first what we are going to check? First we are going to check the title. What is the title of pictograph? Got my points? What is the title of pictograph? My pictograph. And then the title tells you what information what the information the pictograph gives. Means pictograph gives which information to us we have to observe, and we are going to notice. Got my points? Again I am going to repeat for you all dear. Okay, the title tells you what information the pictograph gives. Understood all? And next, check the key. The key tells you a meaning and the value of the picture symbol. What, my dear all students? The key tells means, and next, first of all, what we have to check? First of all, we are going to check. What we are going to check? First of all, we are going to check, my dear students, title of the pictograph. Got my points? First of all, we are going to check the title of pictograph, and then after we are going to check, my dear students, next is key. See, this is here key. See, key each smile is equal to 1. As per I was told you, my dear. Understood? So now Okay, what I am going to telling you, my dear students. Now I am going to explain. I am going to share, explain one another example of pictograph. One another example of pictograph, my dear all students. Okay, and then one more thing. The key tells you the meaning and the value of the picture symbol. The key tells you the meaning and the value of the picture symbol. For my points, all of you, the pictograph tells you how many of each. Pictograph what's telling us? Telling us telling us how many of each these different creators the workers show. Okay, how many of each these different creators the workers show. Got my points, all my dear all students? So now I'm going to check these all things, my dear. So number of the small creators seen on the walk. What, my dear all students? Number of the small creators seen on the where, my dear all students? On the walk. It's nature walk. Okay, first topic. I hope you all remember. That is the first topic. Number of the small creators seen on the walk. This is what, my dear students? This is the title of pictograph. So first of all, you have to note down this title in your book. Do fast. I'll give you time here, all dear. You have to note down the title of this pictograph, and then we'll move on further, my dear all students. You have to write these all things in your book, my dear, and then we'll move on further, all dear. So you have to note down these things, my dear students. Number of the small creators are seen on a walk. Okay, dear all. So the key here shows. See, first is what we have done a what? A title. Title is number of the small creators seen on a walk. And then after, what we are going to check? We are going to check next. We are going to check is what? Key. Each leaf is equal to 5 creators. Each leaf, each key is what? Each leaf is equal to 5 creators. How many, my dear all students? There are 5 creators for each keys. So we have to note down these things. What my points, all of you, what I am telling you? Key is equal to, means key, each leaf is equal to 5 creators. Okay, so the key here shows that a one leaf stands for a 5 creators. So 2 leaves means a 2 multiplied by 5. If I am taking a 1 leaf, so is equal to 5 creators, and 2 leaves, so 5 to the 10 creators. Okay, birds seen are minus 6 multiplied by 5. 6 5 are 30. There are 30 birds. Butterflies, see here, 1 2 3 and 4. 4 butterflies. So 5 4s are 20. Then insects. So how many insects are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 7. 7 multiplied by 5. Okay, 7 multiplied by, so it's 35. And squirrel, 1 2 and 3. 5 3s are 15. So we have to note down these small things all here. So all my dear students, as like that we are going to write the all information about this pictograph. What I am telling you here, all dear students, again I am going to repeat. First of all, what we are going to check? We are going to check what is the title of this pictograph. So let's check what is the title of pictograph. Number of the small creators seen on the walk. So first of all, what we have to check? We are going to check first the title of pictograph. What is the title of pictograph? So all my dear students, we write first number of the small creators seen on the walk. Walk, my dear all students, number of the small creators seen on the walk. Where? Okay, on the walk. So all my dear all students, what I am telling you, this is the title of pictograph. So we are first of all we are going to check the title of pictograph, and then what we are going to check? Then we are going to check the key. Okay, what is the key of this pictograph? Means a key is what shows, keys shows each leaf, means each picture, each symbol is equal to how much or how many. Okay, so here is what key is, what here in this pictograph, in this pictograph each leaf is equal to 5 creators. How many, my dear all students? 5 creators. Understood? So now we are going to write the all things here. Bird seen 6 9 sorry, bird seen 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 and 5 6, there are 6 leaves. Okay, there are how many leaves? 6. And here is what, here is each leaf is equal to 5, means 6 5s are how many, all my dear students? 6 5s are 30. Then after, what is the next? Butterfly. So in butterfly, how many leaves are there? 1 2 3 and 4. Total there are 4 creators. Okay, means 4 leaves. So how many there are creators? 4 5s are 20. I am going to write the whole things here. 4 5s are 4 5s are how many, my dear all students? 4 5s are 20. But my points all dear, you have to write the whole things in your book all dear. Compulsory you have to note down with me. Okay, 4 5s are 20. My points already here. 4 5s are 20 butterfly are there. So you have to write down the answer. 4 5s are 20 butterfly. But I am only wrote here the multiplication. Directly you are going to write the answer 20. What, my dear students? You have to write the answer only 20. And insects. How many insects are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 insects. So 4 multiplied by 5. So now I am going to write here 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are 20. So this answer we are going to put here on butterflies. 4 5s are 20. This is done for. Okay, then after next is what? Insects. How many insects are there? So now we are going to count the how many insects are there. So dear, let's check in how in insects how many lift are the leaves are there. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 7. There are 7 leaves. Understood? There are 7 leaves. So 7 5s are how many, all my dear? 7 5s are 35. So directly I am going to write here answer 7 5s are 35. So you have to write with me. 7 5s are 35. So there are 35 insects in a nature walk. We are going to write the answer as a form of insect is equal to 35. But how can it possible? There are 35 insects. Okay, 7 5s are 35. Understood, all of you? Then after the now is squirrel. In squirrel, how many leaves are there? Let's check. 1 2 and 3. There are 3 leaves. Okay, so each leaves is equal to 5 creators. So 5 3s are 50. So now note down with me. 50. So answer is what, all dear? 1 5 50. Bird are seen is 30 birds, 20 butterfly, 35 insects and 15 squirrel. So first of all you have to write this all data before we are going to write the question answer. And then we are going to solve a question answer. So first of all you have to write this all things. 30 birds, 30 birds, 20 butterflies, and then after 35 insects, and further 15 squirrels. How many squirrels are there? 1, 5, 15 squirrels are there. And then we are going to solve question answer. So all my dear students, that all data we have, so now we are going to solve the question answer. What my dear students, let's check. Now we are going to solve this all question answer. Understood all of you what I am telling you? So now let's check the question. How many questions are there? There are total 3 questions. How many questions are there? There are total 3 questions. Understood all of you? So my dear students, let's check the question number 1. So what is the question number 1? First is, which creators did they see the list of? Means how many did they see? Okay, means a list. Means what? All my dear all students, what I am telling you, what is the meaning of list? L-E-S-T, list. Okay, list means what? All my dear students, list means a low. Less, how many creators are there? So we are going to check here. Okay, 30, 20, 35 and 50. Got my points? So squirrel 15. Answer is what? Squirrel 15. Okay, and see this what they mentioned the question here. How many did they see? Understood? So now we go write the answer. Squirrels. Okay, what my dear all students? Squirrel and 15. Got my points all of you. So now I'm going to write here the answer. Squirrels. And how many squirrels are there? 1, 5, 15 squirrels are there. This is answer number 1 all. What is the question number 2? Which creators did they see the most of? And how many did they see? So again we are going to check the most of means highest. So let's check how many creators are highest in this pictograph. Here is 30, 20, 35 and 15. See 30 and 35. So which information, which creators we are going to take? Here we are going to take the insects. Insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S. Insects. How many insects are there? 35. So now we are going to write the 35. 35 insects there all my dear students. Understood all? So first of all you note down the both answer. So now let's check out question number 3 here. How many more butterflies than the squirrel did they see? How many more butterflies than a squirrel did they? Means butterfly is a 20 and squirrel is 50. Okay, so 5. What we are going to write? How many? 5 butterflies than a sorry. 5 butterflies is more than a squirrel. Got my points all? 5 butterflies. Got my points? This is answer number 3. And one more thing, my dear students. Again, I am going to make a one question for us. Okay, what is the title of this pictograph? The title of pictograph is what, all my dear students? Number of the small creators seen on the walk. This is a title. Understood? So you have to note down this question, all my dear. What I am telling you, all dear, you have to note down this question in your book, all dear. Do fast. Answer of what is the all answer are here all. See, again I am going to repeat for you all. Which creators did they see the list of and how many did they see? So there are a squirrel and squirrel is 15. How many squirrels are there? 15 squirrel are there. Understood all? And then after the second is what, all my dear students? Second is which creators did they see the most of? How many did they see? Which creators did they see the most of and how many did they see? Insects is 35. How many, my dear students? Insects, and it's 35. Then after the question number C, how many more butterflies than a squirrel did they see. So 5 butterflies more than the squirrel did we see them. Got my point, all of you? What I am telling you. So we have to note down this all answer in our book. Then after we will going to move on our next pictograph. So let's check. This is pictograph. The walkers also record the homes of the little creatures in the forest. What, my dear students? Okay, the walkers also record means a walker means walker in jungle. Nature walkers are a record the homes of the little creatures in the forest. Got my point, all of you? This pictograph shows you how many of each of these they show. Understood, all of you? The walkers also recorded the homes of the little creatures in the forest. The pictograph shows you have how many of each of these they show. Got my point, my dear all students? And then here is what, all dear? Here is home of animal scenes. Homes of animal means house of animals. We are going to what? We are going to write. We are going to write house of animals. So what is the title of this pictograph? This pictograph title is homes or house. Homes of animal scenes. Homes of animal scenes. So this is the title of my dear all students, this pictograph. This is the title of this pictograph. Got my points, all my dear all students? So you have to note down this title in your book all dear. Do fast, and then we will going to read the information of this pictograph. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you. So we are going to write the all information about the pictograph. So all my dear all students, first of all, what we are going to check? Title, and then we are going to check the key. Key is what here? Each star is equal to 6 horns. Understood, my dear students? Each star is equal to 6 horns. How many horns, all dear? See. So first of all, you note down the title, and then after you are going to note down the key. Then after we are going to note down the key. Each star is equal to 6 horns. Each star is equal to 6. How many horns are there? Is equal to 1 star. 1 star is equal to 6 horns. And which type of the houses are there? Means bird snakes are there, tree holes, ant hills, and spider webs. So that all are the house and homes of animals. Okay, birds nest, tree holes, ant hills, and spider webs. Understood? Got my point? I hope you all are understood, all my dear all students. So you have to note down the wall things all dear. In some pictograph, only a part of the picture symbols may be used. In some pictograph, only a part of the picture symbol may be used. Half the picture has half the value of the picture. Whole picture. In this key means star, 1 star stands for a 6 animal, so half star stands for a 3 animals. Got my points? What I am telling you, my dear students? Again, I am going to repeat for you. In some pictograph, only a part of the picture symbol may be used. Understood, all dear? In some pictograph, only a part of the picture or symbol may be used. Half the picture has half the value of the whole picture. In this key, star stand for a 6 animal home, so half star stand for a 3 animals. Got my points, all dear? So you have to note down, we have to write the answer. Half star shows a half value of this given. So each star is equal to 6 homes. So half star is equal to how many homes? Half star is equal to 3 homes. See, as per I was told you. So 1 and 1, 2 means 6, 6, 12. Okay, and half is shows 3. 12 plus 3 is equal to 50. 2 6 are 12, and 12 plus this half shows 3 means 15's ant hill 10. See here the example of this pictograph. Got my point, all of you? So this briefly this example, this pictograph we are going to learn in next session briefly. So first of all, you have to write the name of the pictograph, means title of the pictograph. Okay, and our example number 1, nature's walk. Okay, nature's walk you have to note down in your book. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. You have to write all things in our book. Got my points, my dear all students? What I am telling you, you have to note down the whole things in our book. Okay, I hope you all are understood, and thank you so much, my dear students. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you all.